This is Dr. Denise Wheeler with Pelham Family Chiropractic. This part of our series is cervical stretches, so we'll be showing you how to work on your neck and also your upper back. Demonstrating the exercises is Mariella, our office manager, and Miles, our summer intern.
Next, we're going to do the flexion and extension stretch for the neck. You can stand or sit for this stretch. Mariella decided to sit for this stretch. It doesn't make a difference. Both are going to stretch your neck equally. What you're going to want to do is gently bend your head forward as far as possible, looking down towards the ground until you feel a slight stretch in the back of your neck. Nothing that's painful and nothing that feels like it's too tight. You're going to want a little tension there, but not much. Holding that position for 5 seconds, and then gently bend your head back upwards as far as possible as you look towards the sky or the ceiling, and you're going to want to hold that position for approximately 5 seconds again. Once 5 seconds is up, you can relax at the starting position and repeat as necessary. This is known as a flexion and extension of the neck stretch. The next stretch is known as the rotation stretch. Sitting or standing, you're going to gently turn your head to the right as far as possible, holding this position for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds is up, you can return back to the starting position, relax, and then repeat looking towards the opposite side. Hold this position for 5 seconds. Once 5 seconds is up, you can relax, and that is the rotation stretch. The next stretch is known as the lateral flexion stretch. For this stretch, you're going to want to gently bend your head to your right, bringing your right ear to your right shoulder, and holding this position while you feel a slight stretch in the left side of your neck for 5 seconds. Once 5 seconds is up, you're going to want to gently bend your head back to the left as far as possible, holding your left ear as close to your shoulder, feeling a slight stretch for 5 seconds. This is known as the lateral flexion stretch. This stretch is known as seated rotation. You're going to need a chair for this stretch as well. While sitting on the chair, you need to turn towards your right and grab onto the back of the chair using it for support as you rotate your torso towards that right side. Once you hold for approximately 15 seconds, you're going to want to relax, go back into the starting position, and then repeat with the opposite side. So reaching back and behind you to the left, rotating your torso to the left, and holding for 15 seconds again. That is known as seated rotation stretch. The next stretch is known as the shoulder rolls. Start with your arms hanging loosely at your sides. You want to bring your shoulders up towards your ears and then back as you pull your shoulder blades together. Not anything too forceful, just a little bit of slight tension, pulling your shoulder blades back, and then relax back down in the starting position and then repeat. So going up to your ears, once you reach your ears, go back, hold it there a little bit, and relax back to the beginning starting position. This is known as the shoulder rolls. This next stretch is known as the arm pullback stretch. Standing straight up with your back straight, you're going to want to clasp your hands behind your back and pull your shoulders back and down towards the floor. And you should feel this stretch in the upper part of your chest. Hold this position for 15 seconds and then relax and repeat. This is known as the arm pullback stretch. The next stretch is known as the pec stretch. You're going to need a doorway for this stretch, and while you're standing in that doorway, you're going to want to place your forearms along the side of the door frame, and then bring your chest forward in through the doorway until you feel a slight stretch throughout your chest and your pec muscles. Hold this position for 15 seconds and then relax back to the starting position. This stretch is known as the pec stretch.